Hello, this is my forecast for Thursday, and let's go over the Aussie and US dollar. So what we had this impulse to the downside, retrace another impulse to the downside, then this ascending range, then another impulse that broke the low, retraced, then we got another break of the low and the retrace, and this is signaling to us a descending channel, so a descending structure, and I was looking for a move up. We got this impulse to the upside, and I was looking to enter on a continuation trade, but it didn't get any opportunity right here. So then we got another impulse to the upside with a clean close. It went far away from this, so it was a good impulse. And then I placed a pending order at this level. So that is the bullet level on this inside bar with a 12 pip stop. And then I got stopped out, but it was a good trade, and it did fit my plan because we had this descending structure. We had the first impulse to the upside, and we had a continuation impulse signaling to us that a trend to the upside is starting. And what I especially liked was the clean close. So it fit my plan 100%, and I was very happy to take it. Unfortunately, it was a loss, but that's okay because it fit my plan. So currently we broke the low and continued, but this impulse really isn't strong enough for me because we have this indecision candles, so bullish candles in a descending impulse or a impulse to the downside, and then we have this retrace, then another break, another retrace, signaling to us that the impulse to the downside is over and that maybe we will be forming a descending channel. So what I can forecast is most likely we will get this descending channel. Then I will look for an impulse to the upside and enter on a continuation. Or we can just stay ranging in this area, in which case I will do nothing. We can also get an impulse to the upside from this point. I will also look to get in on the continuation, depending on how the pullback looks. Or we can get just an impulse to the downside, and I will have to see what happens. But if it's a large impulse and a clean pullback, I will enter on a continuation. So yeah, that's what I can forecast for the Aussie. I think we will just continue descending to the downside. So let's move on to the Euro. The Euro is just stuck between the high and the low, so just ranging, and what I can forecast is that we will continue ranging like this. So until the price breaks the low or the high, I'm not doing anything. But if it breaks the low impulsively, I will get in on a continuation. Or maybe we will get this descending structure. I'll look for an impulse to the upside, then enter on a continuation. Or maybe we'll get the same thing to the upside, so an impulse, look for a continuation. Or maybe this descending or ascending channel, look for an impulse to the downside and a continuation. For the Euro, I'm just patiently waiting for the break of the high or the low. And for the Aussie, I'm waiting to see a nice clean descending, then impulse to the upside. So we will see what happens, and I will see you in the next forecast.